Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about Keep India Smiling Foundational Scholarship Program for graduation and diploma students. First of all, talking about the benefit of that scholarship, 30,000 rupees per year for 3 years. Now I will talk about the program, then eligibility of that scholarship, then documents required for that scholarship, then how can you apply. So first of all, talking about the program. Keep India Smiling Foundational Scholarship Program or Colgate Scholarship aims to provide foundational support to individuals who are deserving and meritorious but may lack resources to pursue their dreams. Along with the financial support, program will also focus on mentorship and career guidance to the beneficiaries as and when required. Now talking about the eligibility of that program, student must have passed class 12th board examination in 2020, must have scored a minimum of 60% in class 12th board exam, must be enrolled in a 3-year graduation or any diploma program in a recognized institution of India. Annual family income should be less than 5 lakh rupees. Now talking about the documents required while applying for that scholarship, passport size photograph, valid ID proof, that is either of Aadhaar card or driving license, voter ID card or PAN card, income proof, income certificate, BPL certificate, food security certificate or any other certificate of income issued by competent government authority, 10th class mark sheet, latest mark sheet and education certificate, fee receipt or admission letter or college ID card or bona fide certificate in case admission for professional course already taken, entrance examination result in case seeking to take admission, disability certificate in case of any physical disability, scanned copy of highest performance achieved if applying for sports scholarship. Now talking about how can you apply. To apply for that scholarship, link is given in the description box. Just go through the link and apply for that scholarship. And at last, talking about some of the important terms and conditions related to that scholarship. It is the sole responsibility of a candidate to go through the categories and the corresponding eligibility criteria as mentioned and apply for the applicable category. The data collected through the registration process will not be used for any commercial purpose other than shortlisting candidates for this scholarship program. Meeting the eligibility criteria and applying for this scholarship program does not guarantee selection. The process entails various steps for shortlisting and final selection, which may take few months. Colgate shall not entertain any correspondence with regards to the non-selection of the candidate. Colgate would not be liable or held responsible for any lack or lapse in any communication on account of failure or delay of the internet, telecom, SMS and or email service providers. No correspondence in this regard will be entertained. Employees of the company, its affiliates and their family members are not eligible to participate in the scholarship program. The decision of the company with regard to the scholarship program and the declaration of the winner is final and binding. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.